Hi everyone, welcome to tonight's box break. Here is the screen for the last team spot that was on auction tonight, the Washington Capitals. Now I'm going to show you the serial of the cup box we're going to open in just a few seconds. Good luck to everyone. Okay, here we go. First card. This one is for the Carolina Hurricanes. Eric Stahl, numbered of 249. Second card. This one is an autograph rookies. Jim O'Brien for the Ottawa Senators, numbered of 249. Next. Oh, we have a redemption card. And what do we have here? We have the Cup Dual Honorable Numbers number jersey. This is John Tavares and Steven Stamkos. So we're gonna do a random between the Islanders and the Tampa Bay Lightning in just a few minutes. I'll just put this one aside and finish the box break. We have Patrick Kane, Stanley Cup signatures, number to 50 for the Chicago Blackhawks. Next. Oh, we have a Dustin Tokarski rookie, but this one is a gold parallel, numbered of 25 for the Tampa Bay Lightning. And last card of the box, we have the Jaromir Iginla Calgary Flames, numbered of 249. Okay, so we're gonna do the random for this redemption card of Steven Stamkos and John Tavares. We're just gonna enter those teams on random.org and do the random in just a few seconds. As you know, we do 3 randoms, and whatever team is on top after 3 random gets the card. Okay, so here we go. You see we put the 2 teams in the box. New York Islanders and Tampa Bay Lightning. Let's do a randomize. Okay, this is our first randomize. Let's do a second one. And we're gonna do a third one. Good luck. Whichever team is on team spot number 1 will get the card. Tampa Bay Lightning. Tampa Bay Lightning, you'll get this Steven Stamkos John Tavares redemption card. Congratulations. Thanks to all who participate. We just listed a new box, the cup, on eBay for next week, and we have also on our website hockeyboxbreak.com we have a limited box, Panini Limited, going on, and we're going to list the cup box very soon, so stay tuned.